Hello, we are gathered here today because we think our dog's pretty fast, fastest dog running. So we're on a regular football pitch. I'm standing on a halfway line, my son's standing on the goal line, and Sharon is standing with the timer. And we're going to time, see how fast she can run. She's just done 4.2 seconds, but I'm pretty sure we can get her a little bit faster than that. Okay, whenever you're ready, mate. Stop!
3.6!
Oh my god. So Lily... just done a 3.6. If you can beat that, send them in. Love to see the videos. Cheers. 3.6. Cheers.